want to announce that we shall be putting up the security roads that have been identified. We have mobilized the equipment, and I think in another 1 or 2 weeks I'll be back here to launch 2 security roads in Baringo North and 2 security roads for Baringo South, and we'll make that announcement shortly. I also want to announce that next week I'll be announcing new administrative units in the affected areas, including Baringo, so that we can have the services of government closer to the people, and therefore, for all this region which is being affected by banditry, we are going to make nationwide announcement, but with a very clear focus also on the areas with security challenges like Baringo, as we create and operationalize new sub-counties, new divisions, new locations, and new sub-locations. As requested by Senator Cheptumo, we will accept the request to establish Koriema and Sandai police posts with immediate effect because of supporting what the agencies are doing here to improve the security in this area. I want to take this opportunity to give my pole for those whose relatives were hurt in yesterday's attack, and I have discussed with the Member of Parliament for Baringo North. He will be going to see them in the hospital on our behalf this afternoon to take his pole, and perhaps when I come back to Baringo next week, I should be able to visit Baringo North, and we will be able also to visit some of the families that have been affected by this problem of bandits. At the moment, it is not possible for police and security officers to be in every homestead to be able to secure every homestead. And therefore, what you are seeing, the isolated attacks you're seeing, are criminals who are trying to attack, and knowing very well that our police officers cannot be everywhere. We have said, going forward, we don't want to hear of any livestock theft again. The agencies working here must find a way of preventing livestock theft. We are supporting you and investing in intelligence gathering to ensure that we prevent bandits from attacking and robbing our people. But at the same time, when an attack happens, when livestock is stolen, the livestock must be tracked, recovered, and returned in full to the people who own that livestock. Lazima mifugo wote ambao wanaibiwa warudishwe. Hao mifugo wameibiwa jana, tumeanza kukamatana na hao wa majangili, tutatangaza hivi karibuni. Tume recover already part of the livestock, but we want to recover every goat and every cow that was stolen yesterday. Lazima hiyo mifugo irudi. Kwa hivyo timu zetu zote, tukitoka hapa, mimi naenda njia hii, nyinyi muende njia ile nyingine, lazima hao mifugo warudi hapa. Nikirudi hapa next week, nitangaze mifugo yote ilirudishwa wenyewe. Wiki iliyopita kulikuwa na wizi kule Laikipia North. Askari wetu, maofisa wa NPR, askari na KDF wamefuata ile mifugo, wamerudisha ile ng'ombe yote ikiwa salama kwa mwenyewe. Mbuzi wengine wameibiwa hapa Samburu wiki hii tu pale Longewan.